Watch this video keenly and you're going to learn a lot about Forex market. If you've been relying on indicators, kindly pause and watch this video because there is things you can never, ever at any given point ignore or rather avoid when it comes to Forex market. So guys, watch this video closely and you're going to be successful trading Forex. So guys, to make it in Forex trading, if you hear something, you have to think outside the box. And number one, I realized order block is not the one that is make me lose money, is the fact that I've not really understood what an order block is. And so guys, what I did, I really sat down and I started analyzing an order block, an order block, and an order block. And I can tell you for sure there is people who still use the order block strategy to make money. How do they use it? They use it because there is how they do understand it. And guys, to understand how crucial it is, you're supposed to understand it is a significant price level. So it is not just a level, because this is where large institutional traders place their orders. So that tells you there is a liquidity in the market. That is a level you cannot avoid. And guys, don't forget, this is not your support and resistance. That's why you will see yourself selling and it gets to a certain level like this and you see the market reversing. Innocently, you don't know why the market has really reversed, but you don't know, maybe it hit your order block level. You understand? As these blocks represent areas of high liquidity, I've said that, and are often targeted by large players in the market. That's why you will see when something like that happens, guys, there is significant movement in the market. So guys, I know you can ask yourself, why, or rather how did you make money? Or rather, how are you able to make money using an order block? Number one, you have to understand these are levels and zones that you're supposed to watch the market from. And understanding an order block, you have to understand, number one, we have bearish order blocks. Number two, we have, and I was asking myself, can I really sell directly on bearish order blocks? Can I really buy directly on bullish order blocks? And I realized I was losing money because I thought a bullish order block I would definitely buy. Not really knowing if it is a bullish one, guys, it can be broken below. If it is a bearish one, guys, it can be broken above. And that is what we call a breaker block. I had to sit down again and ask myself, what is a breaker block? A breaker block, how does it really happen in the market? How can I know it is happening? And when I understood all these, guys, I knew now I can be in a safe place to use order blocks as a strategy. That is a strategy that I paid attention to. And so, guys, I really want you to watch this closely because I really know this is something that all of you need to know. What you can see right now in blue color, that is a bullish order block. What you can see in this color right here, it is what we call a bearish order block. And what you can see highlighted right here, it is a breaker block. Simply because, guys, this was a bearish order block, but it was broken above. Once it is broken above, we get a breaker block. What you do, guys, you can use the retest strategy. It has to be respected, not broken below for it to be a valid one. When you see several structure break right there, you can confidently execute your buy order. That is something I paid attention to. That is something that I really had to keep back in my head. And that's what, guys, I saw using these order blocks. I can know the trend of the market. I'm trying to highlight the points that you're supposed to pay attention to anytime that you want to execute your trades as a trader. When you want to really know the trend of the market, guys, I want to give you an example with what we can find order blocks in the market. For you to continue, or rather for an uptrend to be valid, or rather for you to know an uptrend, basically you're going to find what we call bearish order blocks. You're going to find bearish order blocks, and basically you're going to find bullish order blocks. So for this to be valid, at any given point, respectively, bearish order blocks should be broken above. If they're not broken above, that becomes an invalid trend. And bullish order blocks tends to be respected. And being respected means, guys, they're not broken below. Once they're broken below, now the trend of the market has reversed. Why? Because price has really respected the bearish order blocks. That is what you're supposed to pay attention to. Something that many traders don't know when it comes to bearish order blocks. Another thing, guys, to really keep in mind, the opposite is true when you have a downtrend. You want to trade your order blocks on a downtrend, and basically you expect to find bearish order blocks right here and bullish order blocks right here. And so, guys, for these trends to be valid, what you're supposed to know, your bearish order block should be respected. Respected means they're not broken above. Remember, if they're broken above the bearish ones, that an uptrend becomes valid. So in this case, the opposite is true. They have to be respected. If bullish order blocks as well, these are bullish order blocks, they tend to be broken below for these downtrends to be valid. So in a downtrend, bullish order blocks tends to be broken below, and bearish order blocks tends to be respected. Why? Because price is respecting what? This level right here. And that's why you can see prices as well reacting to this bearish level. So those are the things that I kept back in my mind. And as well, paying attention on confirmation. Keeping in my mind as well, guys, we can have a break block. Not necessarily executing my trades because I am right on my bearish order block level. I really have to wait for confirmation. Which kind of a confirmation do I wait? I have to see rejections, candlestick closing above the level. If they basically rise, if a retest happens as well, they have to respect this level right here. Even if smart money plays a game right here at any given point, they should close above. And you can see it is a very beautiful push to the upside. So for instance, what you can see right now on my chart, this is basically a guaranteed uptrend. Why? Depending on what I've shown you previously, a bearish order block right here is already broken above. So this gave traders an assurance that we are now pushing to the upside, because as well, bullish order blocks right here, they're being respected. That's how I understood how I can really make money in forex trading, looking at order blocks with a different perspective. Looking at these order blocks in a manner that I can be able to execute my trades. And this works great for me. This really helped me understand even the forex market. And what I was doing, guys, I was combining this with sessions. I was not trading this anytime. I was actually connecting it with trading sessions, and they were working very greatly. So guys, let me hope this video added some value to you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you haven't, don't forget to like this video as well. Success in everything you do, guys. Bye bye. I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye guys.